Jamaican chocolate tea from scratch. You want to see how? Just keep on watching. Happy holidays, guys. And we're jumping straight into this video. We're going to need our Jamaican chocolate. We need some sugar, cinnamon stick, nutmeg. I'm using coconut powder. Feel free to use your fresh coconut. And we're going to need a bit of salt. So the first step is to put my water for boiling. Then I'm going to add my cinnamon stick to boil with that. Grandma used to grate, but I see a lot of people just put it in the pot and allow it to boil. But I'm doing just as Grandma did. I'm going to grate this. After grating it, we're going to put this to boil for 10 minutes. Then we add our coconut milk and allow that to boil for another 5 minutes. Then we can add our spices. As you see, we add our spices, our sweetener. We're just going to mix all this together and allow it to boil for another 2 minutes or so. Then it's time to strain and enjoy. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Also, put a notification bell up for future uploads. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thanks for all the support. So here are straining our chocolate tea, and we're just going to enjoy it as it is. Yes, and in the comment tell me what would you enjoy with this hot cup of chocolate tea. So this is vlogmas day 12. I missed out on day 11, but I'm getting there. So catch you in another upload, guys. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Happy holidays.